What is going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me for Friday's reaction game. I got some news for you guys. Some big news. For the next 2 weeks, we are going to be doing one reaction video a week and two of my videos. It's my channel. I want to feature my videos. And I got a lot of them, so they're starting to stack up, you know? Anyway, this video is about Angel Rambo Jr. He did this game live on stream. He's got his tank top on. His guns are out. So it's only fitting that, you know, I gotta get my fucking guns out too. Now, I'm not gonna go and flex or anything, you know, like, yeah, hit you with those or something like that, you know. But this is a pretty close game. Very close game. It's not exactly a comeback game. It stays on points the majority of the time, but it does come down to the wire. And it also shows you how not to play a Graf Zeppelin. So there's that. All right, enjoy, guys. I just realized I didn't capture any of Angel's audio in his game. You can't hear him talking. You can't hear anybody talking in that game. You can't even hear the audio from the game. So I can't exactly redo the entire shoot because it would fuck up my reaction because I would already know what would be happening. So sorry about that. Just thought I'd stick this in here too. Also, I thought he was wearing a tank top, which is why I wore a tank top. So I feel stupid. I feel double stupid. All right, bye-bye. Okay, here we go. Angel's in the Jager. Mev is in New Jersey. Valor 2 is in the Kaga. Yeah, the guns aren't too good on the Jager. It's not really a gunboat, so we're going to see Angel do what he does best and land a couple of torpedoes. Now, for those of you who don't know, the Jager is strictly a torpedo. It's a little canoe, and it has 4 racks of 3 very fast torpedoes. They don't do a lot of damage, but they reload very, very fast. And I wouldn't doubt that Angel has a good torp build on this. We'll see once the countdown starts and the game starts. We'll see if he's got twist and track. If he's not running twist and track, he is running a full torp build. That's what I think anyway. You're gonna make me yawn. Yeah, full torp build. He doesn't have twist and track, so they spawn over here at sea in the middle. I didn't look and see what type of carrier that they had. Valor's heading up in the air today in the Kaga. Let's see if he could spot what DD is coming that's mirroring Angel right now. Oh, they got a Graf Zeppelin. Okay. I got to do a better job on like pausing the screen when I do these reviews and seeing who's on the enemy team. Graf Zeppelin flies right over him. Having your AA off in a DD is very, very important. So enemy DD from B scoots over to D, so pretty sure Rambo's just going to have one DD here at A, who's already in the cap. The friendly lightning is in the cap. I was heading into the cap anyway. Can I get this 1080p? Okay. Lightning took a torp. Because he don't know what to do. Lightning goes down right away. Get him over there. Send him on a bus. I'll buy the plane ticket. Get him out of here. Lightning is one of my most played ships, and I don't enter caps with the Lightning without that 3-minute fucking sonar running. So Valor is spotting the DD that's in A. Angel throws his torps in the direction of the DD. Gets one torp on him. fuck. I pressed something on my headset. Alright, we're good. I think that was the Jager. It was the Jager in NA. Valor hammering with those HE bombs, trying to get him out of the game. Still didn't use a reload booster yet for the torpedoes. I'm curious to see when he's going to use those. And you're just going to see a bunch of sausages. Brandenburg's pushing in. Parsifal's coming back with AP bombs. I don't think he's going to go for Angel. 6 torpedoes, 2 floods on the Brandenburger. He has damage conned. And torps are already reloaded, so let's send them over again. Oh yeah, he's not going to do any damage to you. What was that? What are we even doing? What are we even doing here? I feel you. Yeah, I go after DDs who are almost dead in the Graf Zeppelin with AP bombs, but that's only when I don't have any torpedoes left. He's got nothing to worry about. Yeah, go stream snipe the carrier that's not streaming. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. He doesn't know what he's doing. Why don't you go help him out? Why don't you go help him out? Get him out of the game. Help him get into AI a little faster. Brandenburg goes down by the MIV. If only Alabama just backs up a little bit, but he's just stuck there. He might be AFK. Still throwing AP bombs. The only thing that he's doing is resetting them, and that's pissing him off. So I guess it is forcing Angel to stay in the cap, and 22, 21. Yep, there's another reset. But now he's got a teammate in the cap too, so he won't get reset back up to 50 seconds. These torps should hit. A couple of them. I mean, the good thing about it is you have, somebody on your team like that carrier. Well, not on Angel's team, but the enemy team is going after a DD, but you're not going to do any damage with Zeppelin AP bombs. It's murder. Was that Ja Rule? Is that Ja Rule in the Graf Zeppelin? Oh, he'll maybe in about 2 to 5 years he'll murder you. Yeah, you tell him. You tell him. Does he even know my name? I mean, how many drops is it going to take on Angel to make this guy realize that he's not doing any damage to him? Maybe he took 3,000 off so far, but Jager's got 2 heals. Now he's going to go over here and fight this Oodler that's got 3 bars also. But he's basically going over to help out Valor. Valor gets a nice drop on Oodler, bringing him down to 10,000 health. This is fuck nuts and the Dominator. Smokes up because he sees an Oodler, because he sees a Jager. Okay, what is this fucking... What is this? Silly day today? AP bomb Zeppelins and smoking up to the Udaloy. Maybe he's trying to. Yeah, maybe he's trying to get away from Valor because Valor's just hammering him. Pushing in, pushing in. Udaloy does not have sonar or nothing, so I didn't see torps from the Udaloy though. So, and we're not gonna see torps from the Udaloy because he's dead. We're up to 12 torps, 5 floods, 60,000 damage, 1 kill. It's still a close game. They're still losing on points, and Angel just jinxed the Plymouth by cheering him on. Oh, there goes down another ship. Now it's 3-3. What do you do in this situation? Do you drive all the way over to D and cap it? Or do you go up the gap and go to B? Or do you go for that carrier that's just can't drop on you at all? Valor's heading over on the I think that's still the Jager. Is that still the Jager up there? Should get him out of the game quick. I did even see the MIV went down. So he is going after Delta. Still has 2 of his reload boosters. $492 to $617. They're down about 100 points, 120 points, more than that. About 128. Is this Martel going to eat any? Of course. You never know what these no fleet enemy ships are gonna do. They could keep going straight. They could just stop randomly. I think now we see the torps, but it's too late. These things are just too fast. I wonder if Angel's gonna open gunboat them. There's the menacing Graf Zeppelin. Now he could AP bomb the shit out of that Vanguard, which he does, and he kills him. Now it's 2-3. It's just Valor and Rambo. 300-point difference. Yes, I had to count on my fingers for a second. The Martel is blind firing. Here comes Mr. AP bombs, but today he brought torpedoes. I don't think he's going to hit Angel. I'm already going to call it now. This guy is just... Yeah. And the Graf's torps, they're so fast. Like, they're perfect to hit a DD with. I think Angel's going to get another torpedo on the Martel. Yes, he does. It's 15 torpedoes. That was a little better drop by the Zeppelin, but still need to go back to flight school. So they're going to cap D. Martel is going to cap C unless if he can't kill the DD, he's got to go kill this Charles. Valor. Oh, that was a small end. I thought it was a Jager he was chasing. Wow, those were close shells. Those were close blind fire shells. Here comes the AP bombs now. Merida is spotted. There's 2 minutes and 20 seconds left. They're down 160 points. Are we going to see a reload booster? Still, he's still keeping these 2 reloads. What are we doing? What are we doing? I think he might have forgot that he's got them. Another dumb drop by the Zeppelin. And Angel's even gunboating him, so he's already spotted. Now he's got to be careful because the Zeppelin, if it's got full secondary build, they could be popping off at maximum like 8-8 right now. Oh, he finally hits one. But by the looks of it, Angel Rambo doesn't care. He doesn't care that he got one torpedo hit. He's a Jager with some... There we go. We got a lot of torpedoes hits. You know, he was fucking spotted. The carrier could have just turned his ship a little bit. Valor takes down the Martel. 744 to 706 with a minute left. We have 21 torpedoes. 1 solo cap, 1 assisted cap. This is going to be a good XP game. If this Smalling comes out of nowhere right now and kills him, but I think he's too far away. Valor's going to... Alright, Valor's going to try and spot him. I think the Smalling definitely knows where Angel is. If Angel goes down right now, they lose. Pop a reload booster. Just fucking pop one. I think he forgot he's got him. No. DD's not in the cap with him, so it looks like it's going to be a... Looks like it's going to be a win. Oh, I guess it was against Sheepy. Sheepy was in the small one. Let's see this XP. $34.30. 122,000 damage. Hell of a game, dude. Hell of a game. But use those reload boosters, man. Those reload boosters. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you later.